Hey guys, I'm going to give you a little short drive here to show you some of the damage to some trees from the ice storm. It's pretty epic, and this is just a little side road. There's stuff like this everywhere here, so I'm going to flip the camera around and we'll go for a little ride. And this is just the exit to the industrial park. I had to stop on a visit here. But you can see all the trees are just iced. All that's knocked down. You can see where all this is knocked down. And on the main road, it's quite fun to get here. It's playing car tag with the trees. So it's probably going to be about an 8-minute video, so hang tight with me here. So we don't want to rush out here because we'll get crammed. But you can see there's some of what the trees and everything look like. It's all, they're just solid ice. And here's the first little tree bridge we have to go to, so we have to negotiate with other drivers to see who's going to go through the tree bridge. And then random ice falling off power lines. You just see the damage. I don't know if it picks it up well, but you know, at any second, this is stuff in the road that you have to avoid on these side streets. And you can see all where the stuff's fallen into the road, and parts of the trees are gone and missing and broken. There's some good stuff coming up here in just a second. And you can see here, we have to kind of play the slalom game with the trees. I don't know how the big trucks are making it through here, but this is a regular road, guys. And then this guy's just whipping around into my lane. Thanks there, Prius, to avoid all this stuff. And this happened, you can see there's tire tracks underneath these trees, so this happened after the snow. Yeah, this is just down trees in the road, almost blocking both lanes. And you can really see all the ice on the trees here with the sunlight. And there's some more up here. And this is within, we're a mile away from the airport. So that kind of gives you an idea of what's going on here. I think there's a few more up here also. If not, we'll just trim this out a little bit. But yeah, this is the airport right here. So just a little fun while driving today, guys. And there's a whole lot more all over Nashville just like that. So just a quick view for you to give you some perspective, and thanks for watching. We'll see you later.